All right, so this is me taking the Swiss steak out of the oven. Same Dutch oven, 2 hours later. I'm gonna show you how it turned out, how to plate it up. Actually, this was more than 2 hours later. This was probably about, let's see, maybe 3 to 3.5 hours later. I think because I had to leave, I think, and the oven was still on. But anyway, so the longer you cook this, the better it's going to be. You really can't overcook it. That's one of the genius things about this recipe, is it's impossible to overcook this. I mean, you'd have to cook it for like days until all the liquid was gone. And since the lid's on there, the liquid just keeps evaporating and recondensing into the pan. So here I have a knife, but you're going to see that this is actually going to flake with a fork. So yeah, take some of the steak out, take some of the tomatoes and put them on top of the steak. They're really good. And then the potatoes were in there since the very beginning. They didn't have to be, but boy, those potatoes are just going to fall apart. And the thing is, you could even take a whole potato if you skinned it, just took the skin off. So that's what it looks like up close. And here I'm going to flake it. See how this just flakes apart? Watch. You just twist the fork and it comes apart. That's because all of the stringy material, all of the connective tissue in the beef is gone now. So there's nothing holding the steak together. The only thing that's left is the protein, the meat. All the fat's pretty much gone. So that's what Swiss steak looks like after you're done. You can see those herb-crusted potatoes. Oh my God, just delightful. Very easy recipe, but very impressive and very full of flavor. So how can you beat it? Tomatoes, garlic, basil, oregano, and steak. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, like, share, and subscribe to this video. I really need subscriptions right now. That'll help my channel out a lot. So if you want to see more, tell me. Give me some of your recipes. Write them down in the comments below. Love to start a conversation with you. I'm Pittsburgh Pat. Thanks.